No, open your mouth wide. Spit it out.
Spit it.
Spit it now.
There ain't nothing to spit. They're empty bags. I just
Turn.
On February 2022, an officer observed a red Scion roll through a stop sign and continue without stopping at a second one. After pulling the vehicle over, the driver explained he was coming from a friend's house and was still in his neighborhood. A K-9 unit was deployed for a free air sniff around the vehicle and alerted the presence of narcotics. Watch the full encounter unfold.
Hey man, Deputy White Tune, Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office. The reason I stopped is because you didn't stop behind that stop bar, the 2 stop signs.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Right there at Deer and then right back here at Sunset. Okay, you got your driver's license, registration, insurance on me?
Yes. The registration and everything's on my phone.
Okay. What's up? Your registration's not online. You got pictures of it or something?
Yeah.
You can't have that. You gotta have it on you.
That's all they gave me. I just bought it.
They don't give you electronic registration. They give you a printed paper.
Oh, they don't have that.
Yeah, that's all.
You don't have your weapons in the vehicle?
No, sir.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm fucking
Okay. Where are you coming from?
my friend's house.
147, Smith Fortune.
Where are you headed to?
Right here.
You live over here?
No.
Do me a favor, sit tight, alright, and go run your information off.
Find out how long it's been for his driver's license. Got the wrong address on it?
How long you been living here for?
Since May.
Since May? You gotta update that within 30 days, you know, right?
Oh, really? No, I didn't.
Okay. So if you're getting mail here, you have to go and update your driver's license. Okay.
Any other weapons on you? Huh? You got a leaf on that pup, right?
Yeah.
What's up with that knife? Is that the one I just threw in there?
Yeah.
That's not a pocket knife, my man. Huh? That's not a pocket knife. A pocket knife is something you use for work. That's a damn dagger. Huh? What are you drawing for? I'm gonna have to come over here and get the dog. I see he's on leash, but you want to get him that way? I'm standing back here in front of the patrol car.
Hutch. Hooch. Hey, check. Check. Good boy. Here. Boy.
That's Ricky Bobby.
What's up?
That's Ricky Bobby.
Ricky Bobby?
Because his last name is Bob.
Yeah. That's funny.
Is it pronounced Bob or Bob? Huh? Bob. Oh. His stamp. You got a stamp.
Yeah.
Mr. Bob, is there any reason that Deputy Kessinger's dog would have alerted to the odor of the presence of narcotics in your vehicle?
No.
Huh?
No.
Are you aware of any narcotics in your vehicle?
No.
Huh?
Nope.
Well, I mean, the dog alert gives him probable cause to search.
No.
Keep your hands off the pockets for me. You know, if you go to jail, you're going through a body scanner. You have anything hidden on your person that would be a problem for you at the body scanner? No methamphetamine? Okay. No pills? No coke? No ecstasy? No heroin?
I don't do anything.
Huh?
I don't do anything. 13 years ago.
What's that?
13 years ago.
13. Well, the dog alerted on your car, and you got loads of stuff in your car consistent with narcotic use. Loads of it.
I was trying to pawn on it. I just went to a pawn shop.
Huh?
I just went to a pawn shop and spoke freedom.
Anything in your pockets that's going to get you in trouble? Nothing at all. No narcotics. You got any issues with the deputy searching you? Okay. You come up to the hood. There you go. Right here. Just stand right there. Put your hands on the car. Right here. Right here, bud. What's that?
Kidney infection.
You have a kidney infection? That's not good. I'm gonna take your wallet for a second. I don't want it to come loose. You got this
Alright, one more time. You have everything on there. It's gonna poke, prick, or stick me, do you?
I'm gonna put this card back in your wallet, all right, man?
I'm gonna put this money in your wallet too, okay?
You get money. Cash back in your wallet, bud. Just put your hands down on the car. Your wrist.
I'm nervous about. Come on.
He said he has a kidney infection.
Kidney stones.
You didn't ingest anything when you got pulled over, did you? Huh?
Fuck no.
I'm just making sure you ain't having some sort of medical emergency.
Just trying to go to bed.
Okay. I mean, if you did, I would rather you tell us so you can get some medical treatment if that's what it is. If it's not that, okay.
I was just, the dude I stopped at, I was supposed to tattoo him.
What's that?
I was supposed to tattoo the guy who's also stopped.
I don't even know where you were.
I'm just saying, that's where I was going.
You were at somebody's house talking to him about.
I told him I wasn't gonna do it tonight.
We were running radar down there and you ran them stop signs. Minor traffic violations.
So, I just want to get all my points.
I understand. What's up with that colonel thing in the car? Did you have somebody in the military that was in the service? Huh?
I'm happy.
Hey, what branch? Air Force? Huh?
My father was a Navy SEAL.
You kept that as a memento, I think?
That's a lot.
It's pretty cool. Did you keep that as a memento too? That's old school. Flip phone.
Oh, I like them phones. I remember T9. It was easy.
It definitely was easier.
It's full.
Yeah, you do have full pockets.
No, you're not, sir.
You been to the hospital for the kidney infection? You have? Okay. What do you use the gun? You got a lot of glue gun stuff in there too. What do you use the glue gun for?
Everything.
Huh?
Everything.
Everything?
Look at my car. Look at the trunk. It's falling off. No, I'm not that bad. What is it? This is my pocket?
Yeah.
I'm not diabetic, no.
Huh?
I'm not diabetic.
Ain't lying back. Just being scared in cuffs right now until we figure out what's up with the needle. He asked you if there's anything that's going to poke him or stick him.
I have no idea where.
And he pulls a cap needle out of your pocket.
I have no idea. No idea.
245. 245. 1012, 174, should be primary.
We just had that discussion the other day too.
Oh, that was in my pocket. Oh, that was in my pocket. Honest to God. That's fucking weird.
Are those your pants?
25.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've had more for a couple of days.
I'm just making sure. He's going to go ahead and finish what he's doing.
There's a chance you got another needle on you somewhere you need to tell him. Because
I didn't know that was, I promise. I swear to God.
Hey, Mr. Bob. Look at this. See the end of that Q-tip? You can read? Can you read what it says?
Yeah.
It's purple. It's positive for heroin. That's enough to take you to jail right now. So listen, if Deputy Wachunas decides to take you to jail, are they going to find anything hidden on you? Did you ingest any narcotics before you got pulled over?
I promise.
Did you check his mouth?
No. Open up your mouth.
No. Open your mouth wide. Ah, spit it out.
Spit it.
Spit it now.
There ain't nothing to spit. They're empty bags. I just turn up.
Turn.
Turn around.
They're not fucking bags of dope.
All right, now he's under arrest.
Under arrest of what?
You're under arrest for possession of heroin. I'm going to test it. It's still in the baggie.
Oh my God. Dude, I don't do any fucking thing.
Okay. I already showed you the test kit. from the syringe that's positive for heroin. This is destruction of evidence, and I'm going to test it, and it's going to test positive for heroin. Buddy,
Don't even know how to drive stick.
watch Eunice and get it.
Oh,
You can get
I
it.
can drive it.
Go ahead. I got it. You want to take the pooch?
I'll put them in for you.
Thank you.
Come here.
Laying on the seat.
Huh?
Yes, she was.
Come on.
Laying on the seat.
Listen, there's a camera back here, so don't be trying to. I know you said you ain't got nothing else, but I'm just telling you that if you got anything, you're going to be on video trying to retrieve it or spit it out or do whatever. If you're in, you ain't got to go but 60 feet. I think you can make it. Grind it to find it. Push the clutch in.
it's in.
Huh?
It's in. He said he was having clutch issues. So
Well, yeah, force it in. Or leave.
it's on. It's
Okay.
going in first.
Huh?
It's not going in first.
All right, put it in neutral. Put off the brake. Try to get it up to the right of the entrance to the gate. Yeah, just so it's not blocking the driveway. Park right. All right.
There you go.
It's all you. Now,
And then secure it.
Two and Mary.
the sunroof's open too.
Are you Keep Tom, JT.
He learned,
had it on him.
he learned a lesson. Check the mouth.
Yep. Knew he had it on him.
I was going to tell him to check the mouth when he was searching it. I figured after the needle tested positive, he might, decide to come clean. And then I saw him trying to keep it under his tongue.
I knew he was acting fucking weird. He was totally different from when you first got him out to then.
No kidney infection
No.
until it came time to.
Yeah.
That's why he
He
didn't.
kept bent over the whole fucking time. I'm like,
That's why he didn't mind being searched. But I wonder if he tried to. He tried to chew it up.
yeah, he was going to try to ingest it.
He was charged with possession of drugs and bond was set to $6,000. For more videos like this, please like the video and consider subscribing.